Yo, what is going on, you guys? We're back with another video, and again, a little something different. Let's cut to the vehicle. Working on my dad's Austin Mini, classic Mini, and right now we're in the engine bay, and we got an overnight part from England.
Overnight parts from Japan.
So we're gonna put that on right now. So you see something's missing on the face of the carburetor. Is an air filter. Ooh. And we got a nice cork gasket to put on there as well. So this will stop any debris, any dirt, dust flying into the motor and doing things we don't really want to happen. So let's get into it. All right, so we got the air filter. We're gonna start taking it apart. So there we go. I like that it comes with the protective cover so that you don't scratch it. There we go. Boom. Put that there. So. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Are we recording?
Yes, we are. Wipe it down.
Wipe it down. Make sure it's all clean. Just like that, it's gonna sit. That is perfect. Okay, so we got our two bolts, our washers, and they screw. Depending on what filter you get, you use a different bolt pattern. But we're using the two bottom holes. And they kind of just screw in like that. You see? So now we're gonna put them on. Gonna put the cork gasket. Gonna put the gasket. Boom, bam, bop. I think those are 1/2 inch. Basically everything on this car is Imperial. Yeah, 1/2 inch. Feels weird coming from working on a Honda. It's like a whole different world. So that's tight now. Now all good. Slide that in there. You line up there. Now it's time for the cap. And the cap goes on. Boom. Nut. Let me put the nut at the back. Just like that. Now we just gotta tighten it. So these are usually 10 mil at 3/8. Just like that. Okay. Got the filter on all nice and sturdy. Beautiful. Now we don't gotta worry about any rocks or dirt or dust flying into the motor while we're driving. And had to go with red because red and green means racing and it looks sick. Cinematic videos.
Yeah.
Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is another video on my dad's classic Austin Mini, and see you guys in the next one.